Hi, this is Mo from the IT department at Website Roof. Website Roof is a Canadian company that provides internet services. Today, we're going to be talking about hosting, web hosting, and what we mean by web hosting. Web hosting has different departments, and we wanted to talk about the different parts and how it can help you building your own websites. The first section in the web hosting means that you have a space in the virtual world without having any system to manage it. To clarify more, I'll give you an example that you bought a lot and without having a building on it. The second section is WordPress. WordPress hosting is a system built for content management, and its features can be configured according to the user's desire in order to meet his needs according to what he wants. Also, it's possible to create site with strong structure and high protection, and updates can be made periodically to keep the continuity of development of the technology. One of its important features is the ease of dealing with it by users that have no experience in the field of writing codes. The third section is e-commerce hosting, which means online store. Through this section, you can get a space with a complete integrated system that caters to all the needs of a user who's concerned on building a website specialized in selling via the internet in a manner that's fully protected and compatible with electronic payments such as PayPal and Stripe. E-commerce provides a special protection for user information and data, and this system also doesn't require experts to write codes. The fourth section is the website builder. This section allows the user to display information about them and ways to communicate with their clients. In addition, they have the possibility of creating a simple blog easily and without the need of total programming. And through this system, it's possible for the beginner in the field to build an amazing site to share their information in a modern and beautiful way. The fifth section is reseller hosting. This section is somewhat different than the previous sections. If we link this to reality, it's like someone who bought a piece of land, built a building on it, and offered every apartment for sale. In order to clarify furthermore, reseller hosting helps small companies and junior individuals who wants to sell websites to other individuals. Through this service, we provide many features, the most important of which is protection, and some other features that we will discuss later. The most important features offered by Website Roof. Website Roof provides features to facilitate the process of site creation, and the most important of these features is high protection system. We provide a firewall to prevent any attacks on sites, daily, weekly, and monthly internal backups. Everyday backups are taken for all sites, and this process helps to save user data. We also provide our additional services with the possibility of obtaining backups on external servers in order to increase the guarantee in the event of a site experiencing a problem or a technical defect or internal backup loss. Oneclick install. This service is provided by some of our services such as WordPress hosting and Ecommerce hosting, by helping you install multiple software according to your needs with a press of a button. Website Roof provides over 350 templates, and we're always updating it. The monthly data transfer amount is the most important feature in Website Roof. It doesn't specify the amount of monthly data transfer, and it's open to all our services. This saves users a lot of money because some companies who provide hosting services determine the amount of monthly data transfer. And when this quantity is not enough, the user is forced to contact the company either to raise the plan or purchase an additional monthly amount. Website Roof supports IPv6 system. IPv6 is a protocol of distribution of the IP addresses around the world, the sixth generation. The goal of providing this service is that the most advanced countries are beginning to move to adapt this new system. And if the site is hosted on servers that don't support IPv6, users will not be able to access the site. Prices. Website Roof is distinguished to provide the most important plans to meet the needs of the user without any hidden fees. All prices are clear and very competitive with other companies. 30-day money-back guarantee. Website Roof allows the clients to obtain their services and with the possibility of canceling the services within the 30 days from the date of the purchase of the service. Technical support. Website Roof provides customers with continuous technical support 24/7. Our ticket system is the most amazing system to contact us with the best features you can ever find with any company. Website Roof is a company with a lot of features to offer to the clients. We value our clients and we are here to make sure that you get the best service in the web industry. Thank you very much for being with us in this video, and please wait for the upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, we're going to be talking about Social Roof. Social Roof is one of our best services because with Website Roof, we offer you a complete control over the social media in all platforms.